In this video, I will show you how to use RC522 RFID card reader with NodeMCU in the circuit. In this project, your RFID card information will display in serial monitor. Please watch full video to make this project. Copy the link and paste in preference area to install the board. Paste here and install the library. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board. After uploading, open the serial monitor and choose the correct baud rate which is given program.